Did you know that sometimes the quietest deaths happen while we're still alive? Margaret had owned the same flip phone for 12 years. It sat heavy in her palm, silver and reliable, with buttons her arthritic fingers could actually press. For years, it was her lifeline to the world. Her daughter's voice after work, her son calling from across the country, doctors confirming appointments. The satisfying snap when she closed it always felt like completing something important, but lately the screen had grown too dim to read incoming numbers. Her children stopped calling, preferring texts her old phone couldn't display properly. Emergency services now used automated systems she couldn't navigate. Last Tuesday, she missed 3 calls because she couldn't see who was trying to reach her. She held the phone one final time, feeling its familiar weight. Then she snapped it shut and placed it in her kitchen drawer. The house fell silent, and for the first time, no one could find her.